What is going on, y'all? Y'all come on in, hang out. I filled this base over there on YouTube, so that's why it's already pre-done. But you can definitely check out that replay. Okay, so this is a 24-inch evergreen base. I did fill it with red and lime green and some pink mesh because I am going to do a watermelon design on it. So I've got my sign, my watermelon, all the good, but we're gonna make my big bow, and I love this red with the black polka dots on it, you guys. It does remind me of watermelon seeds, so I love that. I mean, I helped make all these polka dot ribbons, you guys, so. I did get this at Market from their sample sale, and I really liked it. I think it's something fun to use, and I'm just adding that strip in. It's so cool. I love it. Bring in my zip tie. So there we go. We've made my bow. I love that. So I love how that looks, you guys. And I just added the tail on the one that I did last night on my page. I actually added the loops and tails, but I think I just want to do the tail. And I want to come on in. So this one I did oval out. I did oval out my base, and I usually put this on the bottom, and I'm glad I did that because there's the hook up at the top. Okay, so we added in my bow. Oh, I love that. Now, I am going to add in my signs, my two focal points. So, I have this watermelon slice, which I absolutely love. This is my favorite watermelon slice. We did get these at Deco Exchange, but I know we're sold out of them. But they're just foam and they're lightweight, you guys. So, I'm going to put that in here. And so, I want that up there for kind of the look we're going to go for. Okay. But yeah, okay, so we're gonna attach my sign as well. And I like to just use the same method, you guys. I just glue stuff. So I just glue my signs in. If you want to wire them in, you definitely can, you guys. You don't have to just do exactly what I'm doing. But these are pretty lightweight, you guys. I'm not gonna say that they're super duper heavy, because they're not. Now on a heavier sign, I will wire them. Okay, so I know we're not seeing very much right here, but we're going to add in some of my absolute favorite ribbon. So I love my mini dots. Now this one is a Fair Silk one, but I do love that the deluxe, you guys, is about half the price, and you're getting about the same look. So the one on the right is the name brand, well, the designer brand, and then this one's the deluxe line. So they're about the same. Okay, so we're going to come on in, and I'm just going to add some tails in, you guys. Hey, Kathleen. So we are just adding some tails in. If you want to measure them, you can. I've not measured stuff for a long time, honestly, but that's okay. So we're just coming on in, adding that. And I'm actually not even dovetailing these, you guys. I'm just cutting them at a little slant. Love me some ribbon, y'all. So just adding in my ribbon, you guys. Like I said, if you'd like to measure out your tails, you definitely can do that. I'm not measuring them out. Okay, so love it. Love it. So now, y'all know I love to add me some florals. And so I kind of went through my stash and I have some Smilax. The Smilax is definitely one of my favorite greeneries. I love this greenery. It's so pretty. Now, it's not a pusher, but I do like the use of this. So I like to use that one. And then the Baby's Breath is one of my other favorites. Now, I only have a few pieces of this one left because I used it on another project. But we're going to use the rest of that. And then some red geraniums, you guys. Okay, so we are going to add in my Smilax, which is one of my favorites. Yeah, it's exactly what I said. I was like, I make a lot of watermelon wreaths, you guys. I actually have a swag over there that I need to list today. I probably should prioritize that today, is listing stuff. Because I got some watermelon designs over there. Okay, so we're coming in. Now, I try and make sure that my Smilax is touching the evergreen pine. Okay, so we're going to pull in the geraniums. If you've known me for a while and you know, I mean, y'all, I'm kind of a relic in the wreath world sometimes. That's what I like to call myself. But I have loved geraniums since probably the dawn of time. They're one of my favorites, and I love the geraniums from Michaels. Okay, so we're going to come on in with some geraniums. And like I said, the geraniums from Michaels are probably my favorite, but you have to be careful. You have to buy the ones that say summer. They're the ones that have that really nice velvety feel to them. So that's what I like. Okay. So, coming on in, you guys. Yep. So you can always use like hydrangeas. You can also use whatever other flower you want to. I like the geraniums. Geraniums are just summery for me. I love how that looks, you guys. I know exactly what I'm gonna add next. Okay, so this one is a pusher. I love this one. This is the Baby's Breath one. And I am adding all of this in there. So, I am going to use some of these lime green Twiggies, you guys. I love these Twiggies. The Twiggies are some of my favorites. I make sure and we order them. So, love me my Twiggies. Love my Twiggies. And I can separate them. Love me my Twiggies. You guys, my Twiggies, I love them. And it does come in brown too. I love the brown ones as well. I love how this looks, you guys. Now, I'm going to tell you guys another flower that I do love to add to my watermelon designs, believe it or not, is sunflowers. Sunflowers are so pretty for watermelon designs. I do got some yellow sunflowers. So I do love to add sunflowers to some of my watermelon designs. They're just bright, they're cheery. My mom doesn't like them and I love them. Thanks, y'all. So, don't think you just have to use red and white for the watermelons. We added pink mesh. We did pink mesh too, so y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Love this. That's all I got for you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. And I will see y'all next time. Okay? Bye, y'all.